Howdy y'all, Handy Redneck here. As you can see, I'm sitting here looking at one of the raised beds. This one's got beets and some other things in it. Primarily beets all along this side, and in the middle we've got, what do we got? We got okra in the middle, celery at this end, amaranth, and buckwheat planted in this one so far. But I wanted to talk to you about something. Right now, I was looking at the weather, and it's looking like here in about 3 days' time, we're in for a really cold snap. So we needed to think about and discuss how do we protect our investment in seedlings and everything, especially like our tomato seedlings in the other bed here. Well, there's a simple answer to it all, and I'll get you over here, get you down here and let you have a look in here, and we'll try to discuss what I'm talking about. So this here raised bed with the tomatoes and the sweet bell peppers in it is of the most concern, because these are real heat-loving crops. So the question is, how do we protect them? And the answer is real simple. It's right here. Straw. What we're going to do the day it's supposed to get down to below freezing, the night before, when we close up everything, we're actually going to put straw in nice and thick, and basically cover over all the plants, and then we'll pull the plastic down over it, and that'll create a double insulation layers, and the double insulation should protect the plants, and we should be fine, not a problem. Now, if that don't happen quite that way, well, we might lose the peppers, we might lose the tomatoes, but we ain't gonna worry about that too much, because we still got seeds, so we can start more seedlings and it'll be fine. Plus we've got the tomatoes in the buckets that we move into the house where it's nice and warm when it gets below the freezing mark. In 3 days' time, we're supposed to hit 30 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 2 degrees below freezing in Fahrenheit. For my non-US friends, that's -1, or a little more than -1 Celsius. So even though a Fahrenheit to Celsius conversion is like a 1.7 degrees, it's easier to sometimes just round up to 2. So So every 2 degrees Fahrenheit is roughly 1 degree Celsius. That's not completely factual, but it's a rough estimate. It's easier on the brain to do the math by rounding that 0.3 up. But anyway, we're going to take this here bale of straw that we had left over, and we're going to take a portion of it and put into the beds that have sprouts and seedlings, and cover them over when it decides to get cold, and then we'll put the plastic over that, so we should be good. Anyway, this is a handy redneck. I'll talk at y'all later.